Welcome to the FX Dreamline, the dairy farm, and more birds. So this is a farm that I hit pretty hot and heavy 2-3 years ago, and now I just show up for maintenance. There really aren't very many during the summer, but in the wintertime, all the cowbirds and starlings and sparrows like to come here. So I'm here. When I got there, there was probably about 500 birds there. And when I left, there was probably only about 50 left. So it was a pretty good session. And I didn't edit as much out of this one, so you could see what it's like to be just going back and forth to find one. So one of those two lovebirds is not going home tonight. Look at that. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. So many birds. So little time. Line up on that guy. Take him out. And what's nice is that, again, for the most part, they have lights on, but the birds are all sitting above the lights, so they kind of go stay up in that area. I cannot believe I missed. I missed again. And this guy stays there. I'm like, you're not too bright. Spot this guy. He looks like an easier target, so I go ahead and take him out. Now I'm searching, and there you are. Take you out next. Two lovebirds saying goodnight. One goes home, the other goes down with the cows. He's sitting so pretty. I think he recognized me, but it was too late. He looked like he was just about ready to take off. Like, I think I know who that guy is. But it was not to be. That's a great shot. That 2x4 was definitely in the way. Didn't have much to shoot at. But the Dreamline comes through again. I say that most of my shots are 30 to 50 yards, or 40 yards probably. See these nice little starlings? They're way up at the top of the roof. Kind of a strong angle. This guy, he tucks himself in at the last minute, so I can't get him. Then I spot this guy. I'm like, yep, I see you. And there you go. Now that guy stayed up there. I don't know why. I don't care. But he came down. And some of them you got to be pretty fast, because like once you get on them, all of a sudden they're like, oh, they're really fidgety, so they take off. And other times they don't. Another nice starling. See you later, bud. Can't pass up this guy. Take him out. And there's another pillow. I love when their feathers just go flying all around. So again, now I'm getting into the 35 to 40 yard shot, which is nice that I can do them at 20 yards and then take it out to 40 with no problem. Just goes to show you the accuracy of the gun when it comes to shooting the 177. And the pellets fly really good at 700 to 750, so that's always nice. Now these guys are like 15 yards, 12 yards away, so. And the thing of it is they're flying all the way all over the place, and the Parlor itself is probably 40 yards wide. So that's why you see me keep going back and forth, on a mission to find them. He took one heck of a jump. That was pretty good. I think that was a starling, but I wasn't sure, so I took him instead of the sparrows. This guy's playing eeny, meeny, miny, mo, and I really should say he was playing hide and go seek. He did not do so well. This gun is just so accurate and devastating on these guys. Now, as I'm shooting them, the cows are coming in to get milked in the parlor, and workers come by, and then if they see me in there, or if they see me on the side, I should say, then if they're on the far side, they'll wave their hands to bring all the birds back towards me or back into the parlor, so I get more opportunities for this target-rich environment. Do I see you? Yes, I see you. Look at that. And you see, it's like, what makes you guys all of a sudden fly? Look at that. I had him lined up. That was an amazing shot as well. That guy just, right there. He didn't drop, he just stayed there. So you see they keep going from fan to fan, area to area. It's quite a lot of fun chasing them around. Not really. I wish they'd just stay, but they don't. See, there they go, the wave. It's like all gone. So you got to get them when you can and shoot fast. Some more of them sitting on the top. And shooting between the pipes, it's like, man, that doesn't leave me a lot of room, but I'm able to thread the needle, which is, again, nice to do. I don't know why all of a sudden they just fly when they were sitting there just a second ago, and then they're like, nope, we got to get out of here. Look at all those targets. Oh, you poor starling. You thought you were safe, too. It's nice when you shoot them, you see them fall behind the 2x4 and down, so it's like shooting at the at the fair, which isn't too bad. Look at all those guys. It's like, man. And again, I probably fill up my tank twice, maybe 3 times when I'm there. And if I have a lot, I'll go through 1 tin, 3/4 of a tin of pellets. So that was a good shot, and they all stayed there. And then they go, we got to get out of here. I'm safe. No, you're not. Where did everybody go? Why did you guys all leave me? So now it's a search again. Found you. I'm not sure if I got him. Take the high guy. If you're going to stay, I'll miss. Oh, can I believe that? Make up it with that one. That was just a shooting gallery. How fast can you go? Make them all count. That was a good run of birds. I have shot them through the fans. I just can't remember where my thing is, but that's it. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.